Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 11s smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can extend the random access memory on this device. So first of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the storage category. In here you'll have the Mem Fusion section which you want to head for, and in here simply turn on this toggle, choose what amount you would like to extend your RAM for exactly. So either 2 GB, 3 or 5. I'll go with 5 for example. And after that you'll need to restart your smartphone, and once it gets relaunched, it will display that the random access memory has been successfully extended. So let's wait until the smartphone gets reloaded. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and check whether the changes that we have just made have taken effect. So in here we'll launch the settings and head straight for the My Phone category. And as you can see in the RAM section, it clearly shows that we have 6 GB of a standard random access memory amount, as well as additional 5 GB that we have just added. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.